Alright, so how's it going, Amazon class? So hopefully you guys review some of lesson 1, and let's talk about lesson 2 and push forward for the lab. Um, so here in this lab we'll be practicing writing queries. All you must do is follow along, writing the queries as shown. There is no tricks here. Each query returns valid results. So you should see the results in the records in the results window. So number 1, go ahead and open the server management studio and connect to the to your own server. In the Object Explorer, click on Database and browse to the World Database. Click Database, World, Tables, Columns. Browse through the columns to get a better understanding of what the table is made of. Click the New Query button, type the query shown below, and execute it. So here you're just going to be using World. Select Start from Countries. And 5 click messages to see the number of records the query returned. You can also see the number of rows in the bottom corner of the status bar. Practice writing the following simple queries and observe the results. So here, the region is Caribbean, where the population is greater than 1 million, where the continent is Europe or Asia. Practice these queries for where the continent is South America or independent years less than greater than 1950. And practice more complex queries like use a between, practice likes, using in, so use that. Practice limiting the results to certain columns. Remember the last column, the last in the list doesn't have a comma after it. Okay, so columns can repeat. Columns can be given a different name for the query. The real column name of the table doesn't change. Save your work and just go ahead and upload it for a grade. So go ahead. We're going to go ahead and open up a folder. So I'm going to go ahead and save this in Lab 2. And go ahead and connect. I'm already connect. Exit this and go ahead and make a new query. Put OK. So if I save this, I could save it, and so that's where it's going to be. Right. It's going to be saved as there. If I wanted to, I'll go ahead and get into SD1102 Lab 2, and let's just go ahead and save this as 2-4 lab. Right. Save. And the first thing we're going to have is a database engine. Connect to the database engine. Go ahead and see if you have all the correct database. So here we're going to be using World, right? So start off with use World, comma. So actually it's going to be, sometimes it's already pre-written. So you could just type in tab and then enter down. So here to make a comment, we're just going to put dash our first query. Down below, put select star from, and then see if there's a country. Go ahead and tab, enter. So that's going to be our first query. So where the region is a Caribbean, go ahead and put select again. So here, let's go type in where region is Caribbean. Put select dash star, enter from, and type in country, tab, where re is equal to Caribbean. Have my caps lock on. So alright, so that's how you spell it. Might have spelled it wrong up here, so it's probably Caribbean. Right. Where region is equal to Caribbean. There we go. Let's go check out where the population is. Where population is greater than 1,000, 1 million. I'll just try to type that in. Oh, I forgot to actually put another quotation there, so it'll definitely make the whole thing a string. Alright, so here put select again, star from country. So over here. Where, population. Where population is greater than 1 million, right? There we go. Next one is where continent is Europe or Asia. So go ahead and put select star from country where continent is it continent? So continent is equal to Europe. Or continent is equal to Asia, right? Turn it off. Another one, let's go ahead and put a where continent is South America or independent year is greater than 1950. Okay, so first off you want to do a select star from country. Hold on, let's see, this country is in there. So country is in there. Where continent is equal to South America or independent year is greater than 1950. So that's just going to show that everything where the South America has an independent of greater than 1950. Alright. So what was another one? Let's go ahead and kind of just scroll down a little bit. Let's talk about, so here we have where continent is. Let's go to where continent is South America and government is republic. Okay, so start off with select star from country. Do again, put where, always have a where. Continent, down, oops. Continent is equal to South America. And government form is equal to republic. Alright, let's talk about and the independence year is 1811, right? So let's go ahead and start from again, select star from country, alright, where continent, so here, continent is equal to South America. And government is equal to republic. Go ahead and hand it off with a quote. Actually, and independent year is equal to 1811, right? So let's go ahead and practice in between, or practice between, because in is a different, and it's about practice, right? Practice practice between. So this is just going to have you arrange, so you could just arrange from, do a select again, select star from country, where population between 6 million. So here 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 12, right? 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 million to 12 million. You know, you could capitalize between two, it doesn't matter. Alright, between and but it just looks better if it's capitalized because every keyword in SQL is capitalized. Let's do another one. Select star from country where life expectancy between 62 and 72. That's another one. Let's go ahead and practice the like. So here, put select star from country tab, where name like. Let's go ahead and anything after B after B, we'll go ahead and grab that. Let's go ahead and select star. Oh my god, I keep forgetting to right select from country. Let's go ahead and put where name. Let's go ahead and type in like. Anything after BU, so here anything after BU. Percentage. Can't find that small little quotation. There you go. Let's do another one. Select star from country, right? Let's do anything after CR. So it's kind of, you guys kind of see the it's kind of getting in the same kind of type of rhythm here, pattern. Another one. Let's go ahead and do select star. I keep forgetting to select star. So select star from country, right? Where name like. You know, you get to do the next one. Let's do a sandwich this time. AN, so anything after anything before or after AN, right? That's gonna be queried and for us to see the data. Turn it off. Let's go ahead and practice and so select star from country. Select star from country where name and let's go Spain is a good one. So Spain, Brazil, United Kingdom. All right. Let's do another one. Select. I keep forgetting to right select. All right. So here, do another from country, where continent, and again, let's go ahead and do Europe. And South America, right? South America. Hopefully I don't have a lot of bugs on my practice. So here's another practice. Let's practice column selection. So select name, continent, I think it's with the uppercase, so continent. I can't even select it anymore. GMP, local name, and then from. So practice column selection. So you're going to put select name, continent, GMP, local name, and then from country. So here you could do it in any order. So columns can appear in any order. So here you put in select local name, GMP, continent, name, and then from country, right? So here columns can repeat. So here select name, just an example, continent, from country, right? So there. And then our last one would be columns can be given a different name for query. The real column name of the table doesn't exactly change, right? So here, just go ahead and select. Can't spell select again. Select name as country, name, continent, from country. Okay. So, first thing you could do is you could parse it, see if you have anything wrong, and then afterwards, go ahead and execute it, and there we go. So here it shows that from the beginning, we're going ahead and select start from country. Go ahead and over, see what you have. So here we have code, name, continent, region, surface, independence years, population, life expectancy, GMP, GMPO, local name, government form, head of state, capital, and code 2. And here we could just select from country where region is equal to Caribbean. So anything that has a Caribbean in it. So here, anything with Caribbean, right? Say country where region is Caribbean. This right here. So number 2, select anything over 1 million, with a population over 1 million. This right here. Select anything with Europe and Asia. So Europe and Asia, continent right here. Select the country, continent, South America from independence year, anything greater than 1950. So we just go over here, anything over 1950. So this wouldn't be it because this has to be. Oh, this is or. So this is an or option. So either South America or 1950. Let's do another one right here. So select a continent from South America and Republic. So here this has to be South America and Republic. It doesn't show anything. Or continent. And independence year is 1811. So this is the only one that showed up for 1811. Practice between 6 million and 12,000 population. So here anything from 6 million to 12 million. Let's go ahead and switch it over. Life expectancy from 62 to 72. So nothing above 72 and nothing below 62. That's the in between. So select a country with where the name has a B. So there's nothing right there that has a country of B. Anything with the BU after. So anything with like we're here the name Burundi, Burkina Faso, Bulgaria, and then same thing with here CR, Croatia. Anything with an AN, so AN like Afghanistan, Angola, some things like that. Practice the N. So in Brazil, Spain, or United Kingdom, right? These are the. Go ahead and just select the countries in. Also select country in Europe or South Africa. So Europe or South Africa. Practice selecting column selection. So here select name, content, GMP, local name. So here, this is the column. Local name, GMP, continent, and from country. Again, any column compare any order. So here, I could put name, continent, from country. And columns can be given different names. So again, this will be the last one. So you could just select name as country name, continent from country, right? And that's it. That's for lab 2.4. Hopefully you guys kind of know what we're dealing with when we're doing with query selection, all right?